Hey everyone, today we're doing a minor modification but very important one. We're changing the mattress. Okay, so as I was saying in the intro, we are changing the mattress of our bed today. The mattress that we currently have is the one that came with the trailer. So we all know that RV mattresses, unless you have a super expensive luxury RV, the mattresses that come with these are pretty cheap, not comfortable at all. We have a mattress topper on top of ours, so it's not that bad, but it's a 72 inches long mattress, which is a bit short for me. Mary is just much smaller, so it's okay for her. But my feet are always going out the bed, so not ideal. We did a redneck modification or makeshift modification. That when I don't know if you watched the video, but when we made a mattress topper for the bunk beds, there was an extra strip because the beds were a little bit, or the mattress topper were wider than the bunk beds, so we had to cut out a strip, and we kept those strips and put it at the end here, just pushing the mattress forward. It makes a couple inches more available for the length of the mattress, but it's not on the same level of the mattress. Like the pillows are like on an angle. It was kind of a nightmare last weekend when we went camping. My pillow was kind of leaning toward the end of the trailer, and my neck was suffering from it. And Mary was just tired of having these things at the end of the mattress. So we're doing the right thing. We're going to replace that with a brand new mattress. It's going to be 75 inches long, so a couple inches more than the original one to give me that extra room. We took the 75 inches because we had a choice between 75 and 80 inches, which is the normal length of the queen bed, a house queen bed. RVs are normally 75. I would have liked the 80 inches just for that extra length. But what made us lean toward the 75 inches one was we have that little wall in front of the bed, and with the 80 inches, with adding the layer of sheets that we put on top of the bed, it was leaving us too little space to go between that wall and the bed for me to go around. So it was a little bit tight, and we have some storage underneath that we need to access. So having that little space here limited us on the length of the mattress that we choose. So we went with the 75 inches one. So it's going to be like a real mattress, no thing dangling around at the end of the mattress, and it's going to be a thicker one as well. I think it's 8 inches. We ordered it, so should be a better solution than this. Obviously, crossing fingers. We'll see how it goes. But the first step, obviously, is to remove all of that and start with a new blanket. So as you can see, this is the memory foam that we had on top of our mattress. This is the original mattress. That's what the RV comes with. As you can see, it's not a very thick mattress. It's pretty cheap. So we added this thing on top of it. It does the job. It's like better than nothing, but obviously it's much better when you have an all-in-one package. These were the foam, memory foam that we added, or the strip that was left basically, that we added when we did the bunk bed, which is a thicker, better quality foam than this thing right here. But yeah, we put it there to just make the bed longer, but we won't need that anymore. So this is the original mattress, as I was saying. Let me try to show you what's inside. There's a little zipper here that allows you to get inside. Let me open it. I'm just trying to do this with one hand. This is the foam that is in the mat. That is actually the mattress. 2 layers of that thing. Super cheap foam. I mean, I have better quality foam in our furniture, outdoor furniture in the backyard. So no wonder why this is not comfortable. So I think the mattress that we ordered will be much better. So this is how it looks once you remove the mattress. It's basically just a wood platform that the mattress reside on, and this particular one is exactly 72 inches long from that end to that end here. The actual mattress real length is 72 and a half, so we have like half an inch hanging on the end of the boards there. Now, since our new mattress will be 3-inch longer, and we don't want the mattress to sag here, just like it was doing when we put those blue things on at the top there. The mattress was obviously falling or sagging at the end of the boards there. I'm just going to remove that board here, which is basically hanging by those 2 inches there, and I'm going to replace that portion here with a 3-inch longer board so that it supports the full length of our new mattress, and that new mattress won't sag and get damaged basically. So I'm going to change that board, and then we're going to be ready to install the new mattress on. So here it is. The new board is on. What I actually did is went up and bought an OSB board, 7/16 of an inch, because that was the actual thickness of the material that was there. So I removed the old board, cut the other one to the new dimension, which is, it's really subtle, is a little 3 inches longer, and put it back into place. I went ahead and rounded all of the edges all around that new board, which wasn't done on the other one, but I figured I took like a minute or two more and round those edges everywhere so that there's no sharp edges anywhere that will, maybe damage the mattress. I also sanded maybe a couple inches on the bottom so that it's more comfortable for the hand. We're going to lift that, and same thing, I rounded those bottom edges around here all around the board just to make it a little bit more nice on the finish. So next step, the mattress itself. So here is the new mattress in a box. So that is what we are going to replace the old thing that I showed you earlier with. It's a Juno mattress. It's a foam mattress rolled into the box. So basically we'll unroll that. We have 120 nights to try it. So if we decide, so we can decide if we keep it or not, if we like it or not. It normally takes a full 24 hours before it takes its full form once it's out of there, and what I think within 30 minutes we should be able to lay ourselves on it. So we'll take it out of the box and see how it goes. So it's been about 20 hours or so since we installed the mattress in place, and the mattress kept expanding and taking its final shape when out of that compression plastic that it was in. There was a bit of a plastic smell yesterday when we unwrapped the mattress, but we left the window open a little bit, and just that fresh air, it doesn't smell anything anymore. We haven't slept on it yet, but we test it out just for fun, and it seems much more comfortable than what was there. It was not hard to beat anyway. Another thing to mention is when we ordered that mattress on the Juno website, there was a promotion that was a free gift that was going to be sent to us when we bought the mattress. And the free gift was 2 memory foam pillows and some bed sheets to go with it. It was pretty impressive because it was like in that little box that we received, and those 2 pillows back there were compressed to about like a 1/4 inch thick, folded in 2 in those compression bags. And as soon as we removed the first, there were two compression bags. And as soon as we removed the first one, we started to see the pillow grows, and when we removed the other bag, they fully start to grow. It took again some time to get their final shape, maybe a day or 2, but now they're pretty good. And we tried it overnight in the house, and they felt good. So I think we're gonna have some good night of sleep in the RV with that new mattress. Time will tell, but so far so good. That's what concludes today's video. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this one. If you are not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. It will help us with the channel. And until next time, take care.